everybody out there in YouTube Wasteland? It's your good old pal Jess, and we are HYOH-WU! Hike your own hike with us. We are at Cherry Creek. All I can say is this location is located near Lee Lake. Today I am joined by my good pal Brendan. I don't know if I can much trust a guy in a skirt.
It's a kilt, Jesse.
All right, let's get a move on. Slow, nice and easy. Nice and easy. All right, Khaleesi. Oh. We made it. Let's take a look inside my little shelter. Got the one wind 12-foot tarp. Not sure if it's a good hang. I got a feeling I'm gonna be hit obviously with a lot of breeze. I have my outdoor vitals 0 degree under quilt and my outdoor vitals 0 degree over quilt. And I got Blitz's food, and this is where Blitz is gonna be sleeping. Right underneath there. Don't worry, that dog loves the snow. He likes the cold. He's got a lot of fur. It's not being mean. He's gonna be just fine. Got Nate's tent all set up for him. So all he has to do is roll in, eat, have some whiskey. We have a visitor. We have a visitor. Look, everybody. Look who it is. It's the transporter. It's Ron. It's Ron. What brings you out here?
Beer. Snow. Beer. Woods. Beer. Good friends. Beer. Food. Beer.
There you go. The must-haves of life. Yeah. Yeah. It's Nate, you made it.
Cooking some duck confit. Some duck legs and wings in a little pack here that I slow poached in its own fat about 4 months ago.
Nice. Do you have any foie gras?
No foie gras.
It's just fun to say. Foie gras.
Now, wild ducks usually don't get fatty enough to be able to do that with the livers. You have to get a lot of wild duck livers to be able to make some foie gras.
Do you know who has a fatty liver?
Both of us.
It's almost like water going down.
Yeah, don't ever smell the tequila. Always just drink it.
That's dangerously good. Luna Zalzol.
Luna Zool.
You have to say, you have to be drunk to pronounce it.
That's compliments from my boss. She just gave me a tip.
Good drink, mezcal.
I was looking for grouse on the way up here.
I didn't see any at all.
Season's over on fucking January 1st though for those.
All right. So it's about 8 a.m. and it's about 15 degrees. Let's see what Jesse's up to. Jesse, how'd you sleep?
How did I sleep?
Yeah.
You woke up in a flea bag motel next to a transsexual. Don't ask me how I Away with you. Good day, sir. I said good day. It is Saturday morning. We're just gonna do a quick pack up and head down to the switchback and have some breakfast and put some grub in our tum-tums. Fish outside. Chicken gives a good battery. Hot.